Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to walk slowly in Roblox on Windows 11 PC. This simple trick can help with role-playing or creating cinematic moments in your games. Let's get started. Step 1. First, launch Roblox and enter any game world. Notice your normal walking speed using the WASD or arrow keys. This is the default fast movement we'll be changing. Step 2. Press the Escape key on your keyboard to open the game menu. Look for the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon, and click it to access the game's control settings. Step 3. In the Settings menu, locate the Movement Mode option. By default, it's set to Keyboard Movement. Change this to Click to Move mode instead, then click Resume or the X button to exit settings. Step 4. Now, instead of using keyboard controls, right-click close to your character's current position. Your avatar will walk slowly to that spot. The closer you click to your character, the slower and more controlled the movement will appear. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more gaming tips and tricks.